Hey guys, my name is Johnny Azad, and I have worked in the IT industry for more than 20 years. Uh, During all this time, I worked with Fortune 500 companies, I worked with small companies, I worked with medium-sized companies, and almost every place I went, I saved them a lot of money, and I'm talking about millions of dollars. Uh, I was in a team lead position in a lot of places, so I hired, trained, mentored, fired a lot of people. And the main reason I'm building these training courses, a lot of these people that I had to let go, we had spent significant amount of time and effort in getting certified. But when you are getting certified using a website like A Cloud Guru or BizLabs, you pass the certification because they teach you how to do things. But what you don't know is why are you doing those things. And so nobody's going to ask you to spin up a EC2 instance. People are going to come to you and ask you, hey, this is my problem. What should I do? And then you, as a cloud engineer, are supposed to provide a solution. But just certification is not going to get you there. Anyways, just to give you a little more confidence in my abilities, I also gather um, certificates in my spare time. And so far, I have 15 professional certificates. The last seven have been the cloud certificates, and I started collecting them in March. Then this was April, May, July, I think, and then Google Engineer, Google Pro. So I have collected all of these non-specialty certificates for AWS and Google, but they are not like they build your knowledge base, but they are not sufficient to start working as a cloud engineer. So the training that I'm going to create, I have divided them into six parts. Well, seven technically. One is the introduction, and that training I have already released, and that should get you started with the basic networking. So our basic responsibilities include networking, compute, storage, data stores, logging, monitoring, and security. So, like I said, refer to my first training that's free, and that'll get you started on the networking that you need to get into compute. Compute is about dedicated hosts, um, virtual machines, containers, and serverless computing. Then storage. Uh, then we're talking about data stores. Now, data stores is structured data, structured or semi-structured data. When you talked about storage, we're just talking about files. So data stores, we're talking about SQL or NoSQL databases. And with if you're more interested in these concepts, those trainings will come out as and when I can. Right now, I'm taking a break from my job, so I probably would be able to put them out quicker, but I might not be. So next is logging and monitoring. Now, logging and monitoring and security kind of go hand in hand, but logging and monitoring you use for a lot more things than just security. And we'll discuss those in all of these training, the six training that I'm going to create. Also, Udemy I like because you own the training for its life. And my goal here is as long as I can, I will keep updating these courses for all the new technologies coming up in these areas as well as any improvement that are being made. Having said that, this training is going to be about compute. Uh, and let's get started. Thank you.